First of all, thank you to everyone. Sorry, I'm a bit sick still, but thank you to everyone that have tried to help me. I really appreciate that, and now I'm going to try to measure the voltage on these two pins, and I think that's supposed to be around 6 volt AC. Seems like 12.2 volts. This one here is also a bit loose, very loose. But I don't think that's the problem. It's just the cable that goes in the flyback wheel, but it's just connected in a loop. So this cable just goes here and around and back. So there's no direct contact. 102 volts, I think. Same there. It looks like 46.5 volts. I don't know what I'm measuring. But this cathode here seems to be have the correct volt. Okay, thanks to some guy on Facebook, I got something to happen. So I connected a resistor to a ground, and when I touch you can see in the reflection there, something happened. Okay, so I got some more information. The horizontal sync seems to be okay, I think, but not the vertical sync. So I could try to follow that circuit and see where the problem is. Also, there's a component here that is a bit loose, and the same, this one here is very loose. I wouldn't think it would be the problem, but I can't have it like this, so I need to disassemble it and reattach it. Okay, I'm back, and I'm not so sick anymore. Just a little bit. And now I must continue, and I think I was removing this thing here. So I had to remove the PC and unscrew from here. Whoa. Here we go. And there's our loose connection. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it is there. So I'm going to remove this board here. Have to remove this one again. Okay, so the yellow cable here is vertical sync. Yeah, I get a connection in this cable, and this cable connects to here. And it connects to the first pin here. So I have to check the other side, and I'm going to follow the trace to see if I can find any problems. Okay, so it is the bottom pin here, fine. And that doesn't go anywhere. It must be connected to a cable on the other side. Seems to be connected to one of the pins here, I think. It's a bit difficult. Really? Okay. Don't understand. Oh yeah. So I found a data sheet for this chip. Now I don't understand anything at all. And this is the little board that goes on the back of the tube, and the RGB signal goes in here from a cable. Let's check the connection. It goes into this resistor. Which goes here. These are all connected. Yeah. Oh, this is time consuming. I'm sure it's fine. I cannot see any kind of cracks here. Should I check every single trace all the way? Or at least the ones that I don't get continuity on from here. So it looks like there's a broken trace here. Because as you can see, this one is supposed to be connected to here. It is connected here. But not here. Okay, let's see if it works. Nope. No short. And will it work now? No, it is not going to work. What happened to the static? Okay, it doesn't work. Something happened. I can smell something. Okay, so the smell comes from down here, and I'm going to give up for now. I am a bit bored and tired of this machine. Even if I could repair it, the cosmetics is in such a bad shape that I still would not be too happy with it. So for now, I'm just going to leave it as it is, sadly. But thank you to everyone that have tried to help me. And perhaps for some people that is going to try to repair a similar machine, they can get some information out of this, perhaps. So yeah. I hope to see you next time.